So, miracharm.com is an online store selling fashion and lifestyle products, and at first glance, the prices and designs can look pretty tempting. But before you place an order, there are a few things I'd be careful about. The biggest concern with stores like this is whether the products actually match the photos and descriptions. Cheap prices can be attractive, but the quality, sizing, shipping times, and customer service may not always live up to expectations. I'd also look closely at the return and refund policy before buying. If you're ordering from an overseas store, returning something can potentially be more complicated or expensive than you expect. So, is miracharm.com a scam? I wouldn't automatically say that, but I wouldn't buy based purely on the website's marketing either. Check independent reviews, payment protection, shipping details, and the return policy first. Overall, I'd approach Miracharm with some caution and only order if you're comfortable with the potential risks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.